necklace. So we're going to Kids Foot Locker now. Sorry, hold on. Y'all, he happy he finna get this unlimited car wash.
Yeah.
It's usually never this packed.
Right.
We finna zoom through. No have to pay.
Little police.
Wow. Look at your ass.
Alright, crime could be going on. I could be robbing mice right now. And your stupid ass over here getting covered up.
What's up, ND Squad? Welcome back and welcome to another banger video.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
And hit that notification bell. Today we got a few errands to run. It's his mom's birthday. They doing something at the house. Tomorrow they might do something. Of course I'm gonna vlog it, but right now we gotta go to Meyer and the mall because the baby up. So we gonna try to go get, I don't know what DeShawn needed to get. Oh, well I'll tell y'all when we get there what we gotta do there. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into the video. The baby finally woke because at half the time when we go get car washes, he always sleeps.
Right.
But he wide awake now. He can look. Everything closed. You just have to throw that. We back in Walmart trying to find some headphones. Maya didn't have any. Let's see what we can find. Found some headphones. We both tried them out. He got some Sony ones. I got some Groove or On, whatever. They were loud, so we cool with that. I'll show y'all in the car.
Insert cash or select payment type. Thank you for shopping at
Okay, y'all, we in Burger King right now. We just waiting. We already ordered. And then we're gonna go to the mall after this. Since the baby's still woke, hopefully he stay woke so we can go get him some shoes. Cause I really want to see his little feet in some shoes. He ain't had no real shoes for real yet, so we got a free Whopper, a medium fries, some drink, and then I got a chicken sandwich because I bought this like cold deli sandwich I'm gonna eat. I might just eat the chicken sandwich. We was in a necklace place, but they didn't have a necklace, so we're gonna have to come back Tuesday or Friday. We checked finish line. He didn't see nothing in there, so I don't know what he's gonna do. We're going to Kids Foot Locker now, so we'll see y'all when we getting him size, hopefully. That's a five. Yeah, it's like a five. Okay, here's size 5, so what's she do? These are cute. These are so cute.
Come right here, y'all. He's in the middle, y'all. Hey.
I told him I'm balling. Well, I'm feeling it.
My bad, baby. You don't like any of these Jordans? Finally fell asleep. He in like a gift store. Looking for him some shoes. So we just left the mall. He ain't find nothing, so.
No, stupid bitches.
We got the baby some shoes. Took like 3 hours. That's all we did. That's all we got.
Oh, everybody being at the house board anyways. We showing at the house.
Yeah, so I guess DeShawn gonna order something online. So y'all see whenever they come in or whatever. So now we're finna head to the house. Probably.
Let's see what they doing.
Yeah. So we'll see y'all when they doing something. They probably outside or something, in the water or something. We're gonna go lay the baby down and then, yeah.
Well, you was gonna miss her first when you lucky I came out though.
Hey.
Okay. Here, man, everybody out.
Y'all need to party.
Everybody out.
Y'all need to party.
Wow.
What you want to bring them in? It's right here. You're right there. Bro, don't airball like last time.
Shut up. It's my turn.
You out.
Oh, I am.
Yeah, nigga, step to the side. Bitch, you out. If you hit, you bring somebody in. Or you take somebody out.
Oh, that's all.
Oh, of course it's off.
Oh, my God.
Wow.
You got me.
What the fuck? What was you aiming at? What did you throw that ball at?
You was right there.
Yeah. Oops. That's exactly what he did. Oops. But we're looking for that black thing like you gonna hit every fucking. You just missed when you looked for it last time. Look, garbage eggs, garbage eggs.
I need to put
And you looking for the black die hard. Garbage eggs.
It was so serious, Simone. It
No,
actually
it
is.
wasn't.
Playing that copyright. Them just shot the game buzzer thing.
We gave him
but
extra 2 little points.
they gonna see if they can do. What they at? Y'all at 21? They at what? 7. The fuck?
Come on.
Nigga, come on. Take it.
Nigga, you said set a screen, nigga.
I didn't say set a screen. I said come over here.
Nigga, it's called set a screen, not come over here.
Still, dumbass, I was gonna throw it.
That's supposed to guard
Come
too.
on.
Come on, just like when you get the ball, you shoot. Take it
Yeah,
back.
I've been in the house and they still playing. Some people's mad. I wonder why.
Get the D.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, no.
Busted on you, Kate.
Yeah. So
And I'm playing it flip-flops.
I don't want to see no more of
too,
this. So
18.
I see
Come
y'all
on,
when we
let's
doing
go.
the cake or something.
Check him up.
Now we in the car, baby still asleep, and DeShawn fat ass wanted to go to Wendy's because he addicted. What?
You said Wendy's.
Oh, I'm sorry. What nuggets you was talking about?
Wendy's.
What nuggets you was talking about, babe?
I was talking about McDonald's.
Oh, you want some McDonald's nuggets? Oh, it don't matter.
No, it depends.
Okay, so we don't know where we going yet, y'all. But wherever we going, I'm getting some fries because I love fries, just like the baby. I'm pretty sure when we get back, the baby probably woke. I hope not, because I hate when he wake up when we gone, but we'll see. Okay, y'all, see y'all wherever we go. And y'all, if y'all wondering a part of this birthday vlog, well, this is the baby getting the shoes and his mom's birthday vlog as well. We're not doing nothing major today because she want to get a hotel and have a pool thing. She was going to get a bouncy house. So we're going to do all that tomorrow. The pool and go to the hotel and stuff like that. So that's definitely gonna be a fun vlog. I hope they really do it. If not, I might just still go because I've been wanting a hotel to go swim since he won't let us go to the beach.
Well, y'all can go to the beach whenever y'all want. It ain't my fault. It always end up doing something.
You always say that. Okay, we're at Wendy's. He getting his nuggets from here, and I'm getting a little frosty. Then we're going to McDonald's, and I'm getting nuggets from there. And small fry.
Appreciate it, bro.
You need some more? Why do you sound so scared?
I did that on purpose.
No, you be sounding for real scared. Like they gonna fucking
shit.
Damn, I should just put y'all on the stand.
All I said is, can I have a 20?
Yeah, he be sounding so damn scared when he ordering at the draft. I hate when he uses straw. Y'all, do y'all use Frosties with straws? Cause that sounds disgusting.
Yeah, I use Frosty with straws.
I mean, do y'all use straws in y'all Frosty? Cause I feel like, go back. I feel like you need a thicker straw. They give you these regular ass straws.
That's what they's for.
No, every time I try to drink a Frosty, I be having to suck so hard. We can't get up there. So I feel like they should give us like a Speedway straw so it can be thick so you can get this damn ice cream out. So? That's why I like a spoon. He got some stuff on Prime that he want to order but he haven't yet, so when he do that, we're gonna do a car tour. Once we get to Texas, we're gonna do a car tour because we know for sure everything gonna be in the car and done with the car. So once we hit Texas, we're doing a car tour. Even though it's not nothing major, but we're gonna have a little detailing stuff in here. Stay tuned for that, y'all. He got a 2 McDoubles and I was only coming here for nuggets.
Yeah, the McDoubles was free with the nuggets.
No.
Yeah, they were.
I got a 20-piece and a fry, and he got hella burgers. Not the plan.
Fudge. I got beats.
Yep, see? That's why I like doing that. Come on, I want some down.
Yeah, that's a big ass gloop, you dog. Yeah, she a damn dog. You motherfucker.
Damn, she thirsty.
You want me to hit the back of this nigga car?
Right. Keep on coming to the window. Like, what y'all want us to do? Walk, go up there to the window, babe. Just get out and go up there.
Right. But if I didn't have a car, they'd kill me if I walked up to them.
Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all when we get the food. Cause damn, what the hell going on at this McDonald's today? I like this McDonald's though, because the one on 61st is fucking ghetto and dirty.
Too.
Okay, but the one by Strax. This one is down by. This one is down over the hill, if y'all know what I'm talking about.
Well, ain't nobody from Maryville watch our shit, but I found one.
A lot of people from Maryville watch our shit, so shut up, stupid. If you from Gary/Maryville, comment down below. Comment down below 100 sign if you from Gary or Maryville. Look at him making his mess. Dang, how did you do that? The baby definitely gonna be woke by the time we get back. That bitch didn't even speak English.
Right, the fuck
she said, I heard that when it worked.
The fuck, shawty? What the fuck are you speaking? Don't tell me pull up. Bro, if they forget to put sauce in this bag, I'm gonna shoot them. Because 2, 4, you think 4 enough for you?
Yeah.
You sure?
Sure, get some more.
It's something at the house anyway. Better go to pick that up. So like, next time we come down here and get my food. Hello?
Yeah, he said, don't tell me pull up.
Yeah, I said, don't tell me pull up.
Alright, y'all.
They love telling a nigga pull up, pull up, pull up. Hey, y'all serving me?
We finna go back to the house and hopefully they sing happy birthday. I ain't getting no cake anyway, but I gotta show y'all the cake and stuff.
You better get some motherfucker that
Get your mama cake.
What?
What?
What? What's it say?
It say, love you, Junior.
Idiot.
That's the baby son, y'all. He said, love you, Junior. Alright, y'all, so his mom just opened up her gifts. I didn't record, but I'm gonna go show y'all. She got this laptop. She is so happy. We was gonna get her one. Good thing we didn't, cause she would have had two. Happy birthday.